So if you are researching about the product you want to make a video about, how do you go about it? Now, first of all, you have to choose the products that you want to make a video about. It can be a gadget, a movie, a book, a beauty product, a video game, or any other subject that aligns with your channel's niche and audience interest. Once you've identified that, then you have to conduct an online research. Start by searching for information relating to the product or topic. Visit the manufacturer's website, read product descriptions, specifications, and manuals, and you can even go ahead and look at online reviews pertaining to what people have already purchased and how much they talk about it. There are platforms like AliExpress and Amazon which allows those who have already purchased the item to leave a review or feedback. Depending on what they say, you can write it down as a topic to even talk about once making your video. An example would be someone complaining about how bad the audio quality is in a recorder they purchased. Another person could talk about how bad the camera quality is from a drone they purchased or a 360 camera that they purchased. All of these are some specific information that you not get from one YouTube video or just a Google search. These are specifically related to some specific people. You can also watch existing reviews, especially on YouTube, on Vimeo. Some are even posting on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook. All of these places can give you a fair idea of what you even want to make a video about concerning the product. And pay attention to the format, the presentation style, and key features that they keep emphasizing on. This will help you understand the aspects that you should focus on as much and how to differentiate yourself from other reviewers. Also, don't forget to consider experts' opinion. Like I said, in as much as you want to create a video about something, someone has already done that. And it's funny that there are some people who are doing it much better than you are, and you probably are looking up to them in that regard. So listen to what they have to say and use that as core points for making your videos. Don't also forget to use social media to your advantage. Check out relevant social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Look out for trending hashtags or discussion relating to what topic you want to talk about, and use all of this information in your single video. And after all of this, if you have the opportunity to have that particular product in hand, list the things that you find useful about it, the things you like, the things you don't like, all of the good stuff, all of the bad, the pros and cons basically. Then write your reviews based on what you actually think about it. Now this part is all about you, all of the experiences you have had using this device. Now remember, it is crucial to present a balanced and unbiased review. Whilst research will provide a good foundation, your personal experience using the device should also shine. So provide honest feedback and recommendations to your viewers based on what you have experienced yourself. Would you recommend it? Would you not recommend it? Tell us the reason why those are so.